In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Moomoo. Moomoo is a powerful investing and trading app built for market analysis, research, and placing trades. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to safely install it on an Android phone using the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, just remember to get it from the official App Store only. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. At the top, tap the search bar and type the word Moomoo. In the results, look for the listing titled Moomoo, Investing and Trading. That's the official app used for stock trading, investing, and market analysis. Tap the listing to open its page so you can review the details and confirm you're in the right place. Next, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. If you want the fastest experience, using Wi-Fi is usually best. When the installation completes, the button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Moomoo for the first time. When the app opens, you'll see the welcome screen. Tap Sign Up, enter your email address or your mobile number, whichever you prefer, and follow the prompts. The app will guide you through verifying your identity. This is a standard requirement for financial services and helps keep your account secure while meeting regulatory guidelines. Simply follow the on-screen steps until verification is complete. After that, create your account by setting up your login details. Once your account is created, you can look around the app right away to explore quotes, charts, and research tools. If you want to begin trading, you can optionally open a brokerage account from within the app. This step is separate from creating your login and may ask for a few additional details so your trading account can be approved. A quick but important tip before we wrap up: only download Moomoo from official sources. On Android, that means the Google Play Store. On iPhone, the Apple App Store. Avoid third-party APK websites. They can be unsafe, outdated, or tampered with, which puts your device and personal information at risk. And that's it. You've searched for Moomoo, Investing and Trading in the Play Store, installed it, opened it, signed up with your email or phone number, verified your identity, and created your account. With the option to open a brokerage account when you're ready to trade, you're all set to explore the app with confidence.